The Environmental Protection Agency finalized a rule Wednesday establishing limits on PFAS, or forever chemicals, in the nation's drinking water, the first ever standard addressing the toxic substances in water and the latest move in a series of actions aimed at reducing the public's exposure to harmful chemicals. EPA Administrator Michael Regan will announce the finalized rule Wednesday at an event in Fayetteville, North Carolina with Brenda Mallory, the chair of the White House Council on Environmental Quality. The American Chemistry Council slammed the rule in a statement, arguing the evidence justifying the proposal is based on inaccurate and out-of-date information. The industry group said it supports a science-backed drinking water standard, but said the current rules' rushed, unscientific approach is unacceptable when it comes to an issue as important as access to safe drinking water. The American Water Works Association also issued a statement criticizing the rule, which said the industry group is concerned that the rule's health and financial impacts are not accurately characterized. The group estimates the cost of the rule is more than 3 times higher than the agency's calculations, according to the statement, which went on to say that the additional costs will lead to affordability challenges in many communities. PFAS have been used in consumer and industry products since the 1940s, according to the EPA, and there are reportedly nearly 15,000 chemicals classified in the group, though companies have increasingly phased out the chemicals. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has been biomonitoring at least 12 of the chemicals in the U.S. population using blood serum since 1999, and results have indicated prevalent exposure, according to the agency. The forever chemicals are concerning because of their widespread use and the fact they do not break down in the environment. In October 2021, the EPA unveiled its PFAS Strategic Roadmap, which detailed actions the agency would take over the next 3 years to protect the public from exposure. Nearly 2 years later, in March 2023, the agency proposed the now finalized rule. On March 18, the EPA finalized a ban of chrysotile asbestos, or white asbestos, the only form of asbestos that was still regulated for use and import in the U.S. More than 60 countries have banned the substance. U.S. finally bans asbestos, lagging behind restriction from over 60 other countries. Forbes. Biden administration cracks down on soot pollution. Here's what to know. Forbes. EPA hypes $1 billion next stage of infrastructure bill. A top Biden initiative. Forbes.